welcome to Dynamic Homeschool. In this video, I want to expand upon my first budgeting video where I showed how to create your sinking funds, and then now I want to show how I budget with those monthly using that math. So stay tuned. Okay, so I want to show what my budget looks like for, let's say, the month of May if we're doing a temp budget. So the first thing I'm going to do is I wrote May. I'm going to write what I know we're getting paid on the first paycheck. So he gets paid $2,807.34 is what he gets paid. Usually what I leave in my account, so I'm going to write left in account is 50. So what I'm going to do is I am going to total this amount plus 50. So I get 28.5734. That's how much I'm getting this month, or my husband's making, I should say. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and my budget, so my mortgage is due on the 1st, but we have gotten ahead a little. So I do half on the 1st, and then I do our actual mortgage on the 15th. So I'm going to just write that over here. This is the 15th. Paycheck. We get paid bi-weekly. So this is the 1st, this is the 15th. So I'm going to go through, and I know I have insurance that's going to be due, Netflix, heat, jiu-jitsu, water, half of the mortgage, groceries, and gas. I include my groceries and gas and bills because they are mandatory. I have to eat and we have to go places. My sinking funds, I've talked about in the last video. This is where I get my sinking funds from. So as you can see, it says per paycheck here. So I will just write all these down because I know we can contribute each paycheck. So that's what I wrote. Christmas, birthdays, oil change, medical, pets, homeschool clothes, the pool, which I think we are done contributing for. And then my envelopes, we do dining out or entertainment, dining, my husband, and then I contribute to the church. And then we do a 3 to 6 month, my daughter's car, and then we are going on vacation. So I am saving for those. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put what each of these budgets are, which I've already put. I think my water budgeted is usually 110, so I'm going to put that in there. Groceries, you usually spend 500. Gas is 100. Now from here, in my sinking funds, I'm going to go back, and for Christmas I'm doing 161,636. So I'm just going to round to 162. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to add up all of these bills here and put the total here. So. 182, 3698, 1549, 70, 110, 625, 15, 500. So that comes out to $1,638.54. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, my total that we get for the month, and I'm going to take this away. So left over, we are left with $1,218.80. That's how much we're left for the month after our bills are paid. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this amount right here. And then I'm just going to add up these for my sinking funds. So total 490. I forgot to put my left when I created this. So now I'm going to take this amount, 1218, minus my sinking funds amount, and I'm left with $728.86. Carry this up over here, $728.80. Now, usually for entertainment, I look at our calendar to see what we have planned for the month. Sometimes we'll do movie nights with the kids. It really depends. So I think we do have a movie night coming up. So, and that usually costs us, for all of us to go, we usually spend around $100 once we get like popcorn and candy and stuff like that. So I'm going to put 100. Dining, I usually budget for us to go once a week, and that's usually fast food. So about 80. My husband gets 20. And then for church, I just do 20 as well. So I'm going to add this up. So this is 220. So take our starting amount minus my envelope amount. So this is how much I'm going to be taking out. I try to round it because I'm taking it out of an ATM up to the nearest 10 because you can't get fives. So I'm left over with 508.80. Now I'm going to do my savings. Let me write 508.80. Now I'm going to do my savings. 3 to 6, we're kind of doing slow. So I was just doing 50. My daughter's car is, I'm going to round to 108. And then for vacation, I think we're actually, I'll do, let's see, how much do we have left for vacation? So we are actually done with vacation, so I'm not going to contribute there. So if I add this up, this is 158. So I'm going to take it away from here. 350.80. Now my goal in budgeting is to be zeroed out. So I know that I have this left over. So I need to find where I want to contribute, where I kind of want to put this money, because I don't want to just sitting here, we'll spend it. So what I think we'll do is, I might up some of these sinking funds over here. So instead of 162 for Christmas, I think we'll budget back up to 322. That's going to change this amount.
That's going to change this, and this, and this. We do a lot of erasing, which is why we do it in pencil. So that'll take about $100 back away. We'll contribute, I'll just do 120.
And let's see what we're kind of left with. Well, if I take 161 minus another 60, I'm left with 129. So I'll bump this up to 68. And I will bump this up to 20. And then what I'll do, I usually like to just leave 50 in the account, but I'll leave 51.80. So what I'll do is I'm going to re-add all this back up. Not 50. I would go back and add the $36 over here somewhere, or I might just actually, I'm just going to bump it up in here. So this is going to be 86. So this is plus 86 gives me 194. So I'll take 244 minus 194, and I'm stuck with 50.80. I just leave 50 in the account for the what if something happens. That's just kind of where I feel comfortable. Even though I still have money left in there, it's still zero based because I know that this is not for me to spend. This is just to sit in my account. I'll go through and do the same thing when it comes to the 15th paycheck, but different bills for the 15th. So hopefully this budgeting helps you with your planning and with your monthly. If you've never budgeted like this, I suggest doing it this way. We have saved a lot of money, but good luck.